This is weekly recap of trading week November 15th, 19th. So amongst 12 potential trades, 3 gave losses and other gave profits. One stock was as a signal during the week. This is FNKO. Let's start with this ticker, FNKO. So my signal was not so strong as I expected, and I got a small losses. You see that my entry point was at 18.44 and my exit point was at 18.14. So after this first spike at the beginning of trading session, I moved my stop loss to break even, but due to slipperage, my stop order executed at worse price than it should. I could take profits at this reversal candle, but my profit target was 19.50. That's why I took this loss. So that was not so good as I wished, but this stop loss is within my trading system, so that's okay. Next trade, Upwork. Also, that was not profitable trade. Upwork made beautiful consolidation above the level. You see the rest of the day, that was Friday. That was obvious for me that Upwork wants to go higher, but something happened with freelance companies. Fiverr and Upwork got a sell-off during the whole week. So after this reversal pattern, good entry point for longs was, but then there was a huge red candle. On this retest of the level from other side, it was a good entry point for shorts, but I didn't watch at this chart. That's why only this trading situation was against my eyes. Next trade, this similar situation, WeWork, ticker WE. On Friday, price closed and consolidates under the all historical level, 9.21. On Monday, price opened and 5-minute candle closed also under this level. Good entry for a short position. But then huge green engulfing candle to the upside that broke the level. In case of stop loss 1 cent above this important level, that's okay because that was within my trading system. But you can see that if we got engulfing candle to the downside after this perfect consolidation, bullish consolidation, we can expect sell-off next days. Vice versa, if we have engulfing green candle after this bearish consolidation under the level, we can expect several days movement to the upside after this candle happened. That's a good lesson for me. Next trade, Upstart. Other trades were potentially profitable, and in this case situation was rather easy. After breaking the level, consolidation and continuation. In this case, entry point was just after first closing under this important level and $3 move immediately. And then 2 more entry points, charts presented, were also tradable situations. Next stock, Talk, TALK. You see also consolidation under all historical level 3.52 on Friday, and on Monday immediately sell-off. In case of stop sell order, short position would be opened and closed during the day because there was a report after these days, and to hold position during the earnings report, that's always a risky situation. Next stock, Peloton, ticker PTON. Beautiful price action, level 49.11. Price from the first minutes flashed under this level, then made a pullback with a parabola formation, and price action was perfect just near this level. 2 candles could not break and hold it, and the next red candle, rather small candle, that was a good and safe entry point for shorts. So entry about $49, and exit about $48. Next situation, BYND, Beyond Meat, the same H pattern. You see this is daily and this is 1 minute chart. On a daily, huge downtrend, sell-off, bounce and sell-off again with short-term retest of local support. This is support, $80. On 1 minute chart, break, pullback and break again on a huge red candle. Short position was entered after closing this red candle, then 1 minute candle consolidation under the level that confirms the direction, and then sell-off. You see, almost 1 hour only sell-off and nothing else, and only at 10:30 first pullback, and on this pullback short position was closed. Okay, next stock, Robinhood, ticker HOOD. The same situation, important historical all-time low level 34, day before sell-off, pullback, but price stayed under the level, and next day price consolidates near the level first minutes, made attempt to break, failed, and pullback again to the downside. So that's buyer's capitulation. Safe entry 5 cents below the level, and after 30 cents movement short position may be closed. Next stock, Zillow, the same pattern. Day before price closed and consolidates under the level, but distance was far away. Next day, at the beginning of trading session, price made attempt to return to this level, made a false breakout. You see on this small green candle with a tail, and that's a perfect safe entry point for a short. Stop loss above this tail, and after this false breakout, quick move to the downside more than $1, and it's enough to take profits. Next stock, Zymergen, ticker ZY. This trade was a swing trade, level 9.76, but important psychological level $10. And after breaking during the day on 5-minute chart this level, closing under it, I entered my short position. Then price made a pullback. That was okay because that level was not strict. That's why some choppiness near it, it's okay. And then price steadily moved to the downside and could not even touch $10 mark the rest of the day. Next day, price flashed from the first seconds to the downside, quick move from 9.80 to 9.40. That's a good movement for such a cheap stock. Okay, next stock is Money Lion, ticker ML. At least finally that's first trade on a long side, level 5.70, and there was a choppiness some days before, but on November 15th there was a consolidation and price closed above this level, making a tail. So this tail was a confirmation that buyers are strong and good entry for a long position. Unexpected huge engulfing green candle to the upside, and big move, 20 cents for such cheap stocks. That's perfect time to take profits because high probability of a pullback. And you see the rest of the day price just stays at the high on the same prices. And the last stock, my favorite, Matterport, ticker MTTR. You see this is 5-minute chart. Several days before there was a beautiful consolidation with a tightening of the price to the level 23.34, and from the very beginning beautiful and strong breakout of this level. After closing 5-minute above the level, it's a perfect entry for long position. Stop loss under this 5-minute candle, and after breakout short squeeze, because you see these several green candles in a row. That's only can be due to short squeeze, almost $3 move without any pullback. If you see a huge candle after substantial movement, this is the end of the movement. Another confirmation you can get from the indicator RSI. That's it for this week. You see that almost all trades were with the same pattern, so-called H pattern. I like to use another terminology, short-term retest, when price falling, making a bounce, and then returning to this local support, retesting it for a breakout. This pattern can work if stock has bad fundamentals, weak market, or market in the range. I hope this video was useful for you. In my next video I will make a stock chart analysis to trade for upcoming week.